the Kirk Home Group, we bring a mission to protect and cultivate our clients' financial and emotional security, and we make that our priority. We bring unmistakable levels of awareness to the real estate transaction with finely tuned listening and communication skills to get our clients to their desired result every time. Every day, we seek new clients to service while maintaining the highest standards in the industry for development and education of our agents to provide the highest levels of value to all we serve. With a primary focus on always improving our skills and abilities and in personal development, our belief is if we choose not to grow, who will pay the price? And that's our clients, friends, and our family. Let us help you navigate your next move. We look forward to hearing from you.